A Sebeka man is facing DWI charges after being involved in a motor vehicle crash near Wadena. The Wadena County Sheriff's Office reports that on Thursday, December 29th, Andrew York rear-ended a car driven by Julie McCammett of Minot, North Dakota. The crash caused both vehicles to leave the roadway and end up in the ditch. McCammett was transported to Tri-County Hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. Emergency personnel believed alcohol to be a factor in this crash and evaluated York on the scene. York was then arrested for criminal vehicular operation and driving while intoxicated.
Lakeland News is member-supported content. Please consider supporting Lakeland News today.